Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video, I will tell you and show you how to reset frequently used emoji on your iPhone. Don't forget to put a like before you start. Be sure to write comments after watching and subscribe to our channel. So let us get down to the topic. Let's open up your keyboard. You have an emoji here. When you click on the emoji, you have this option right here with the clock sign clicked right away. That means you instantly go to all the emoji that you use frequently, the ones you've been using lately. In order to reset them somehow, to delete them, unfortunately, there is no such setting and no such button and option directly on the iPhone. But you can just replace them. To do this, go to emoji like this, or for example, you can go to any emoji you have like animals or food and so on. And look, you just have to go in order. Click on these emoji. And then, friends, when you go to your emoji, you will eventually see that they will be modified. So it will mean that your emoji are being replaced. As you can see, some of the emoji are replaced. So you can simply replace them with other emoji. This is the only way you can manually try to reset such settings, commonly used emoji on your iPhone. I really hope you found this video useful. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and be sure to give us likes. See you, friends.